This is an instructional video on how to set up your ODM pull tool. Remove the hose clamps. Remove the Phillips head bolt. Swing the activation trigger out of the way. Position the hammer drill in the saddle. Pass the activation trigger across the trigger of the hammer drill. Reinsert the Phillips head bolt and tighten. Leave it loose enough so that the activation trigger moves freely. Make certain that your tool is straight and against the saddle, then strap it in securely with the hose clamps. Ensure that the hose clamps do not interfere with the setting switch. Loosen the clamping collar with a 5/64 Allen wrench. Adjust the sealing probe rod so that it's positioned about 2 inches in front of the SDS bit. Check that all fasteners are tight and secure. For jobs with a uniform sealing height, the foot pedal may be used. Position the foot pedal at the end of the pole and fasten them together using the supplied nut and bolt. The foot pedal prevents arm and back fatigue on long jobs. It provides a 2-to-1 weight to lift ratio. Tighten the nylock nut, leaving it loose enough for the foot pedal to pivot. Keep proper footing and balance at all times. The foot pedal will lift the pole about 8 to 9 inches. If the hammer drill becomes jammed, be sure to unplug the cord before attempting to free the jam. Insert the saddle assembly into the telescoping pole using the wire bail pins. Adjust the length of the pole as needed. Use the wire bail pins as a cable guide to further secure the cord. Unplug the hammer drill before making adjustments. Use the supplied 6-inch Velcro strips to secure the cord of the hammer drill to the pole. The ODM has a 13-foot max ceiling height. Keep away from electrical lines. You are now ready to use your overhead drill machine.